Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to be drawing a Seagull Landing. I'm going to use some of my dip pen ink to paint it in, kind of like watercolor but with ink. I mix a dark blue ink and a black ink to make kind of like an indigo color. I use different intensities of the ink by adding more or less water to the mix. And when I'm doing the water, I decide to keep it kind of streaky to give it some movement to the water. On the little dock part, I used different intensities of just the black ink. I also end up using a white gel pen and a black gel pen to just help add some of the little extra details. A little extra detail to the painting. And a tiny bit of watercolor for the beak and the feet, because I do not have yellow or orange ink yet. changed up where the shadowing was a little bit on my painting from the original photograph because of the way I felt like the light was hitting in my picture. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.